For the center. Plants are beautiful. Plants are beautiful. The bulk price. And those over there, the pink ones, they have a 10% off here. So beautiful, so gorgeous. Ooh. And they have the annual one. Season plants. You can get these too if you want. You are a lover of plants. Here we do it. Oh, look at these ones at the back. These ones. Right, these. Super cat. These are so pretty. And these white ones are gorgeous. They are so pretty. Yeah. I like them. And those yellow ones up the top, they are beautiful. You can come along with the plants and the cool. Yeah. Beautiful plants. Ready for the summer. 9 from $5 up. You can get your plants. Oops, oops, oops. Beautiful plants. Beautiful, beautiful. I remember these plants. I remember these. These red rose. Red rose. Beautiful, beautiful. Red rose. Got those pink. So beautiful.